Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Children, in today's class, we'll be learning a new concept given in the poem 1, The Clever Rat. Yes, it is in your Viva Connect. Yes, the concept of this or that. We will be learning the concept of this or that. Children, we are sometimes confused when to write this and when to write that. Where is this used and where is that used? So, in today's class, we'll be learning the use of this this or that that. Are you all excited? Okay, let's go. This or that. Now, look at the first point. We use these to point to a thing which is near. Means whenever thing is near to us, अगर हमारे नज़दीक है, we are going to use this this. For example, look at the first picture. The cup is near to the boy. So, look at the example written. This is a cup. What we use? This this because the cup is near. Understood? When anything is near to you, you will use this. Now look at the second picture. The girl is pointing at the tree. Is that tree near? No, that tree is not near. That tree is far. Far means दूर है. Look at the point. We use that to point to a thing which is far. Means we are using that. that when a thing is far from us. When a thing is far. Far means हमसे दूर हो. जब कोई चीज़ हमसे दूर हो, that time we will use that. that. Look at the example. That is a tree. Understood, children? When a thing is near, we will use this. Look at the first picture. The cup is near. So we have written this is a cup. Look at the second picture. Yes, the tree is far. So what we have written? This is a tree? No, we have written that is a tree. Understood? You have to keep in mind only one thing. Near this. Far that. Understood? If anything is near to you, you will write this. And if anything is far from you, then you will write that. Okay? Now, look at this. Use these or that. You have to write these or that. Look at the picture. The book is near to the girl or far from the girl? Yes, it is near to the girl. So, what we will write in the blank? These or that. It is near. So, we will write this this. See, I have highlighted the answer with red color. What is this? This is a book. Understood? What we have write? This. What is this? This is a book because book is near to the girl. Okay. Now look at the next picture. Look at the second picture. Kite. Is the kite near to the boy or far from the boy? Yes, near or far? Yes, the kite is far from the boy. So, what will come? Yes, what will come? That. Yes, so the kite is far. So we will write THAT that. Look at the answer I have written with red color. What is that? That is a kite. Now look at the third picture. What is there in boy's hand? Yes, it is a ball. But is the ball far from the boy or near to the boy? Yes, it is near to the boy. Okay. So, what will we write? This or that? Yes, it is near. So, we will write this. What is this? This is a ball. Okay. This is a ball because the ball is near to the child. Now look at the next picture. Yes, look at the fourth picture. The girl is standing and there is a tree and tree पे क्या hang है? Yes, there is a beehive. Can you see the bee is flying there? And the house of a bee? Yes, that is a beehive. Understood? So, is the beehive near to the girl or far? Yes, is it near or far? Yes, the beehive is far from the girl. So, what we will write? Yes, what we will write? These or that? Yes, because the beehive is far, we will write THAT, that. Correct. So, look at the sentence. What is that? That is a beehive. Understood? Because beehive is far from the girl. Now look at the fifth picture. Can you see what is this? Yes, this is a dog and the dog is near to the girl. Isn't it? Is it near or far? Yes, it is near to the girl. So, what is written in the blank? THAT that or THIS this? Yes. Number 5 we have written this. What is this? This is a dog. Understood? If the thing is far, we will write that. And if the thing is near, we will write this. Shall we revise? Okay. We use this to point a thing which is near. For example, this is a cup. And we use that to point to a thing which is far. For example, that is a tree. Look at this. The book is near. So what we have written? What is this? This is a book. Now, what is that? Yes, that is a kite. What is this? This is a ball. What is that? That is a beehive. What is this? This is a dog. Understood, children? Yes. Now we will be able to know how to write these or that. Will you be able to use these or that? Yes. If anything is near, you will write THIS, these. And if anything is far, then you will write THAT, that. Okay. I hope you have got the concept of these and that. Okay. So, we will see you in next class with another topic. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.